Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. By the end of this, you'll see why this is one of the most fundamental rules in physics and how to apply it. Conservation of energy. The total energy of a closed system stays constant. Energy can be transferred between stores, transformed from one type to another, or dissipated to less useful forms, but it's never lost from the universe. Three things. 1. Energy stores include kinetic, gravitational, elastic, thermal, chemical, magnetic, nuclear. 2. Transfers happen mechanically, electrically, by heating, by radiation. 3. Wasted energy isn't destroyed, it just goes to thermal or sound stores that aren't useful for the intended job. Common slip. Saying energy is lost when a car brakes. It isn't lost, it becomes thermal energy in the brake pads. Don't say lost, say dissipated or transferred to thermal. Quick example. A ball is held 2 meters above the ground. The gravitational potential energy equals mgh. You drop it, and as it falls, the gravitational potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. At the ground level, all the gravitational potential energy has become kinetic energy, and on impact, the kinetic energy becomes thermal energy, heat in the floor and the ball, and sound. The total energy is unchanged throughout. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology, chemistry. One for every higher topic subject, with every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.